We all want good quality video, so we go and buy the best camera and the best lens that will give us the production value that we're looking for. Wrong. We actually need to invest in good lighting. Yes, this is less sexy and less exciting to buy a new camera, but this is how you're going to change your videos. So instead of spending $1,000 or more on a camera, you can 10x your videos by spending less than half of that money on a good light. Sounds pretty good. So a great option within this price range would be a panel light like this one. This is the P60C by Amaran. It is a full color LED light. It was created with the creator and the videographer in mind. It also works on batteries, which means that if you're in a small space or you don't have a power outlet, you can still use this light. For full transparency, Amaran did send me the lights for free, but they do not have any input. They didn't pay me to say any of this. This is 100% my own opinion based on my own experiences with these lights. They're actually seeing this video for the very first time, just like you are seeing this video right now. So with all that being said, let's continue. So like I said, this is a full color LED panel that also comes with daylight options. So basically this is an all-in-one light. Now, if you're interested in just daylight and not the colors, there's actually another panel that ranges from cold temperatures to warm temperatures. And this is what I call the little sister of the P60C, and that is the P60X. Now, I call this the little sister because it's a little bit smaller, which makes it even more portable and therefore also a little bit cheaper. And fun fact, I'm actually lighting myself with that panel right now, so you can immediately see the potential. So the first question you may have is, Lila, why should I go with a panel light and not just a regular studio light? Well, I think that you can go with either of them. There is no right or wrong, but I do think that it comes down to two things, and that is price and space. A panel light generally takes up less space, and it already comes with a softbox, whereas with a studio light you need to buy a separate softbox. I usually use the Aperture 120D Mark II for my videos with this big ass light dome because I have the space, but as you can see, the P60C and especially the P60X take up way less space. I'm also using a heavy C-stand for the 120D, which is more expensive than a smaller stand for an LED panel. If you don't have the space or you don't have the budget, I think that the P60C would be your best bet, especially if you don't have a permanent setup. You can just put it in a camera bag, or you can put it under your bed. You can tuck it away anywhere because of its size. So besides using one of these panels as your key light, which is what I'm using right now, you could also use it as a hair light to spice up your talking head videos, or even better, you can use it for B-roll, especially the P60C, because like I said before, it is a full color LED panel, so it is super versatile. Now, what you can do to pick a color is you can go to the menu and then select HSI. Here's the HSI value, there's the intensity and the saturation. Besides choosing color and daylight, you can also use some cool effects like the TV effect or a party effect. Now, I would actually not recommend you to use the physical menu on the lamp, but instead use the VIDS app, because on this app, especially when you grow your Amaran collection or you grow your Aperture collection, you can link all of the lights so you can control them all on your phone or your iPad, and that way you'll have a very smart and efficient setup. So the price of this light is fairly cheap, but the quality isn't. It is made of plastic, but don't let that fool you, because even though Amaran right now is its own brand, it used to fall under the umbrella of Aperture. So if you're familiar with Aperture, that is the kind of quality that you can expect from Amaran. The quality of the light is good. It is actually very accurate as well, which is important. And if you want all the specification, like the technical stuff, I'll put a link in the description so you can check it out. What I love about it is that it is affordable, it is small, and it's incredibly powerful. One of the things that sold me on these lights is the fact that they can be battery powered. All you need is 2 of these batteries. You can attach them to the light, and wherever you are, if you're outside or if you're somewhere where you don't have a power outlet, you're good to go with these batteries. And the best part is that when you keep these batteries attached to the light, if you use them with a regular power cable, you're actually also charging the batteries. Now, if you've made it this far into the video, you're probably wondering how much they are. Well, what I know, the P60C comes in around $300 and the P60X comes in around $250, but it does depend on your location, on taxes and all that stuff. So I would really recommend you to check out the link in the description for the local price wherever you are. So yeah, please use the link in my description if you want to grab one of these lights. And now that we have a light, it is finally time to start looking at a camera. So make sure that you watch my A6600 review right here, or watch this video that YouTube thinks is best for you.